Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the steps on how to connect Gate.io to your Google Authenticator. So I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So the security settings are extremely important. You should not ignore them. So in order to set it up, what you need to do is to log into your account, and after that you need to go to your account, and as you click on the profile icon or your account, you need to click on send verification, which is right in between, and you can see you have two different options, and right at the bottom you need to click on Google Authenticator or TOTP. In the right hand side corner you need to click on immediate binding. So in order to continue, you need to click here and make sure to go through all of the information provided. So as you click here, you'll be directed to two-factor authentication. So first thing you need to do is install Google Authenticator on your smartphone. Whether you are on your Android or your iOS version, you can just select the QR code, and after that you may scan the QR code and then enter the key associated to your Google Authenticator. So moving on the third step, you need to enter the 6-digit dynamic code for the Google Authenticator, and after that you also need to fund your password and an email code that will be sent through an email. So you need to click on send email code, and after that you need to check for the email, and after you receive the verification code, paste in right over here and then tap on enable two-factor authenticator. And also for the security purpose, you need to note down the key, and you also need to save the QR code in case if you lose your device or in case if you lose your account. So this is the method on how you can connect Gate.io to Google Authenticator. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.